Good afternoon, friends. I'm Manju Gubi. This is the butterfruit or avocado plant, 2 years plant. This is also avocado plant. I will plant it in edges of my garden. Today I will spray for Go Krupamruta culture to my all plants, especially for fruiting plants. This is the Rampala plant. I don't know in English, Kannada it's called as Rampala, a Lord Rama. Yeah. I will show this fruit, its fruit, Rampal fruit. See that this one is avocado plant. I have planted 15 plants in my garden, fruit.